Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm with Robbins Plumbing, and today I get the joy of drawing our review winner. All the reviews from August are in the handy dandy little basket, and someone's going to be the lucky winner of a $100 gift card. So let's see who it is. There's a couple funny ones this month. Okay, so our winner is Eric, who is a longtime client, who says our plumber was very cordial and professional. He fixed our faucet in the bathroom. So, and that was left on August 4th on Yelp. So we'll reach out to Eric and congratulate him. And you don't want to be left out in September. So your odds of winning are actually pretty high. We're a small family-owned company, and reviews mean the world to us. So make sure to leave us a review on Facebook, Yelp, and Google. Each one gets put in here and gets a drawing at the end of the month. So congratulations to Eric, and of course, thank you to all of you who left us reviews in August. It means everything to us. We love you.